So remember when I told you that sometimes you go doing project on the boat and you discover stuff on the way? Well, right now I was sanding this part here, which is normally just a small 3D thing which is painted in white or in any color, and it's kind of a signature from the boat. But for me it's like too much pain of sand it properly to the gel coat inside and then paint it again. So I'm just going to sand it like this to the fiberglass and then just put some epoxy filling. And I discovered a small part where there was a small kind of scratch, so I decided to sand it a little bit more so I could assess the situation and just put a bit more of epoxy filling there. And I go kind of digging, sanding more and more, and actually it's a pretty, it's kind of a crack that has been taking humidity, and now it's a crack all the way through. So it's a bit more work. I'm just going to have to sand a little bit more around the bigger area and then do some fiberglass to patch this. But yeah, it's a bit more work as always. So it's actually a proper hole. So I've been using the grinder to clean a bit the hole to find clean fiberglass, and I ended up like going through. So no big deal. Again, like I'm going to rebuild this like patch of resin and fiberglass, lots of layers to rebuild this small hole. No problem, plastic is fantastic. If the weather allows, I'll be painting the hull, putting the epoxy and the coat on the part of the hull above the waterline. So right now I'm doing the last touch of sanding by hand, trying to check any imperfection that still needs to be fixed or sanded, and tomorrow I'll be cleaning it properly and painting it. So it's really long because I'm doing it by hand to really check everything. There we are, the day has come of painting the hull, the part above the waterline. The hull now is all ready. It's been lots of sanding, lots of getting it ready, lots of small details, but all good. I've cleaned it with acetone and now I'm going to do the mix for the paint and go for it. No more going back.
Wait a minute. Just listen.
Bonjour. So today it's a big day, finally, after hours and hours of sanding and of grinding and of putting epoxy filling, the hull is painted. It's not the final color, it's an undercoat, epoxy undercoat, but it's already a huge step towards having the boat ready. So in a couple of days I'll sand again and put the final paint, so final color. But right now it's just beautiful to have like this white like this. And at the moment I also have the French TV that is right here with me, local TV that is doing a bit of a documentary on the work I'm doing, so it's really impressive to have like such a big camera next to me. But yeah, more about that really soon.